Hello everyone, this is Dr.P.Syamala from the Department of MBA International Business Management, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Coming to our today's topic is Memorandum of Association. So, in this class, we are going to study about the features of Memorandum of Association, what is the meaning of a Memorandum of Association, and what are the clauses that were involved in the Memorandum of Association. And coming to before going to this Memorandum of Association, I want to tell about the formation of the company, which means that uh, while going for formation of a company or else during the incorporation or registration of a company, three primary documents are needed uh, for incorporation or registration of a company. Okay, so what are those three primary documents are the Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, and the Prospectus. So these are the very most important primary and fundamental documents that are required um, along with other documents, okay, for the registration of a company or else the incorporation of a company. Okay, so now let us come to Memorandum of Association. So Memorandum of Association, what is Memorandum of Association means, if we want to say in one line, means Memorandum of Association lays down the activities which the company shall engage. Okay, so whatever the activities are involved in a company, okay, all those can be laid down in the Memorandum of Association, such as the aims and objectives of the company, or else the relations with outsiders. Okay, likewise, what are the main purpose of the company, what are the principal conditions uh, of a company which is incorporated. Okay, so certain aspects will be seen in Memorandum of Association. So this Memorandum of Association is the basic, fundamental, primary, important document of a company. And this Memorandum of Association is also known as the Charter of the Company, Constitution of the Company. Okay, Memorandum of Association is also known as the Charter of a Company or Constitution of a Company. We all know Constitution, the rules and regulations laid down. Okay, so we all know that Indian Constitution. What does Indian Constitution? We have all the directive principles, all the sections. Okay, so likewise, it is a company has also a constitution. The Memorandum of Association can be considered as a constitution of a company. The rules and regulations, the limitations, okay, the principles, the functions, and the aims and objectives of the company all can be seen in Memorandum of Association, or else it is known as charter of a company. Memorandum of Association is known as the charter of a company. Charter means it is a written document. A written statement can be known as a charter. Okay, charter means it is nothing but a written statement. So finally, Memorandum of Association is also known as a charter or constitution of a company. And Memorandum of Association is compulsory for all types of companies. So we have different types of companies like public limited company, private limited company, one person company. Okay, so all these companies, every company, each and every company, without any discrimination, all types of companies needed this MOA, Memorandum of Association. Okay, and without MOA, no company can be started or incorporated. Why? Because as I said before, the three primary documents should be produced in registrar of company. Okay, without producing these documents, a company cannot be started or incorporated. Okay, and memorandum of association gives information about the aims and objects of the company and the basic object of the company. What is the main object of the company? What is the main aim of the company? What is the main line of the company to form to incorporate? Okay, so this can be seen in memorandum of association. Okay, and coming to memorandum of association defines a relationship between the company and outsiders. Okay, so company, what is the relationship between the company and outsiders? Why? Because in memorandum of association, company will be associated with different stakeholders like customers, suppliers, creditors, bankers, government. Okay, so with different people it has different relationships. Okay, like creditors, okay, suppliers, with suppliers if at all it is purchased on any credit basis, so it will undergo some agreement with those suppliers. Okay, or else creditors, it may undergo agreement regarding the percentage interest rates regarding the creditors with bankers also likewise. Okay, so the MOA defines the relationship between the company and outsiders. So, the rules and regulations, the principles, the conditions, the limitations, all those will be explained in MOA regarding the relationships between the company and its associates. Okay, and coming to definition. So, um, if we see definition regarding the memorandum of association, according to Lord Keynes, he defined memorandum of association as the company as it is charter, as its charter, and defines the limitations of the powers of the company. Okay, so we have studied here company is charter, which means a written statement. Okay, and also it says about the aims and objects, about the relationships. Okay, it can without MOA no company cannot be formed. Okay, so likewise many aspects can be seen in memorandum of association which can be defined as the limitations and powers of the company. Okay, so what we see in memorandum of association means it is a charter which is nothing but a written statement which defines the limitations. Okay, so which defines the which defines the limitations. Okay, and also the powers, right?